I thought I would do a quick video on what's inside a BMW F850GS e-throttle. This particular one has the code number ending 2120. It's got a heated grip and it's got cruise control, so it's got the switch that when you roll forwards it deactivates or cancels the cruise control. So these two have been prized apart. Inside you've got, that's kind of the spring-loaded stop for the roll forward for the cruise control deactivation. This sort of semicircular part there is kind of the Hall effect sensor. The electrical connection is that part there, so you plug into that hole just there with the wire that comes off the wiring loom on the bike, and inside here that's pretty much it. So this part is completely unserviceable. That's your detector there. Then on the inside of here is a tiny magnet. You can see it. Just here, I'll see if I can stick this to it. Well, you can see it there, look. That small metallic square bit right in front of where that screwdriver bit's pointing is the actual magnet itself. And when you move that, it moves around the sensor. Yep, that's magnetic, alright. Yeah, and that's it. Then you've got this colour wire in there. That's to enable the heated grip to be able to be fed with current without it bending backwards and forwards and snapping off. This is like a bit of a, it's not under any tension, but it's a bit like a tape measure, and as you wind that around it just kind of tightens up the coil of wire, and that's it. So when these go wrong, there's nothing really you can do about it. So there's obviously a defect in this unit just there.